Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make the icons transparent on iOS 26. The new customization options let you make your app icons transparent, and to do it, just press and hold on your home screen until the apps start wiggling. Then click on Edit, Customize, and you can set the icons to clear. Now they are clear. You can set it also to light, dark, or auto, and the auto will be dependent on your iPhone's dark or light mode that you can set. I'm gonna set it to light, I think. You can also set it to tinted, and in tinted mode they also will be sort of clear. And you can change the hue, the saturation of that tint, and also either adjust it automatically to wallpaper. Use the eyedropper tool to select a color from the wallpaper to adjust to, or set it to light, dark, or auto. I'm gonna set it just to clear, to standard clear. And I hope that the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.